Welcome to the executive summary video of the project AMR Logistics Orchestration for Agile Production. The presented solution is developed and put into practical use in the Trinity demonstration program, where one of the goals is to improve the agility of SMEs in the European manufacturing industry. Our use case focused on the orchestration of different brands of autonomous mobile robots, or AMR, and the closely related automated guided vehicles, or AGV, to bring agility on the shop floor. The results will be summarized here. We formed a consortium of 3 companies during the duration of this project. All 3 are located in Flanders, the industrial northern part of Belgium. Altachem is the manufacturing partner of the consortium. They are part of the European German-based Lindal Group and manufacture valves for PU foam canisters. They encountered challenges on their shop floor we wanted to solve in this project. Flagstone is a software company and provided the necessary software tools for the project by means of a manufacturing execution system, or MES. This digitization tool streamlined the order management for the production floor and provided the necessary orchestration for the different brands of AMRs. CIRIS is a technology research institute aiming on improving the manufacturing industry. They focused in this project on the right hardware to be able to reach our goals. The purpose of Trinity AMR Logistics Orchestration for Agile Production was to conceive a flexible production system for Altachem with digitization and automation of their logistics to be able to achieve agility. Therefore, we introduced 3 autonomous mobile robots which ensure the needed automation. These are of different brands and are orchestrated by the MES software, which also digitizes the order management to get the parts to the production machines. There were additional challenges on the loading and unloading of these parts, for which we make use of the Karakuri Kaizen principles by using kinetic energy. The project tasks can be summed up in 3 main components. First, the information technology component, building a sturdy software platform for communications on production orders and AMR orchestration with the Flagstone MES. Then the operations technology, making the choice of AMRs, conveyor belts, lifters, Karakuri Kaizen setup, safety, all done by CIRIS. And finally, the operations management component. This was done by defining a usable layout on the shop floor for AMR paths and the ideal location of the preparation zone at Altachem. This has allowed us to reach several results. The most important result is that MES solution acts as a controller for both the digitization of the paper flow on the shop floor and the AMR orchestration. This is done by helping the human operators in a user-friendly way to execute their tasks while orchestrating the different AMRs to bring parts and boxes where they need to be on the shop floor. The parts preparation zone allows for a flexible and continuous stream of parts and frees up already limited floor space. And finally, the loading and unloading of the parts themselves follows the Karakuri Kaizen principle using kinetic energy, and it speeds up the logistical performance. The following KPI grid shows that we exceeded most of the goals the project partners had put forward at the start of the project. We orchestrated 3 different AMRs instead of just 2. We decreased the non-value added operator time by over 25% by limiting the number of steps they need to take. We totally freed up floor space on the shop floor by eliminating buffer stock around the production machines. And we even managed to decrease the number of operators needed to run a machine, since they didn't need to manually feed parts into the machines anymore. So how does this contribute to the improvement of agility in the logistical process of Altachem? We showed it is feasible to optimize the internal production logistics to become more agile. We moved away from a situation where goods were supplied manually and decentralized to a situation where different brands of AMR supply all machines from a central location, orchestrated via an innovative MES system. We optimized the necessary automation add-ons to allow easy docking, loading, and unloading of the AMR for different types of load. Since this solution is industry sector agnostic, it is possible to implement it in all kinds of discrete manufacturing industries who are in need of optimizing their internal logistics. The application concerns the supply and removal of raw materials, packaging, semi-finished products, or finished products by means of different kinds of AMR, orchestrated by a state-of-the-art software solution MES or manufacturing execution system. There simply is no limitation on industry sector or application scenario. The three project partners wish to express their gratitude towards the Trinity program. We found it particularly helpful to receive monitoring and coaching from the Trinity board. Of course, it goes without saying that the funding allowed us to put all necessary resources into the development of the project itself. The obtained knowledge allows us to get in touch with other interested parties in order to further our business in this European contexts and networking possibilities. More info on this use case of Trinity AMR logistics orchestration for agile production can be found in the Trinity catalog. Please scan the QR code at right to open the Trinity catalog website. The videos of this project can be found on the Trinity YouTube channel, which can be accessed by scanning the left QR code. For more information can be obtained from Jurgen de Keyser by mail on jurgen@flagstone.tech.